the end of the day, I think the world, being where it is right now, could use a love story. And, when we first read this, it was a kind of a smaller movie, and we were so busy. We read this script. It was one of those things that falls in your plate, and you get really excited about it because it just felt like a gift. And to us, it felt like the right kind of story that needed to be told. And movies get made when they're undeniable. When you have a theme and when you have stories and storytellers that just have a voice and a strong voice, that fit right into that category. Will and Brett, it's been like one of the best partnerships. And in all honesty, it was really the message of the movie and the idea of love and the idea of love being present in all of our lives right now. Hoogie as it might sound, I don't know, it kind of drew us toward it.